for you to get lost. You get lost when you start being stupid. Basically it's like that. You try to explore too much.
Yeah.
Everything to explore has been explored. So
Just stay on the.
yes.
Stay.
On the trail.
Yeah. You'll see what you need to see.
They have to go up the stairs over there. Let's see if they do. You can see on the side of the stairs,
Yeah.
you already have the sign.
Right.
So very easy. Nah,
No.
you will not pass by the toilet.
No.
No.
Good thing we went earlier.
Yeah, that's it. This actually you can rent.
Oh.
You live here.
You make we have like online
Yeah.
from the government, and you say like I want to spend like 1 night, 2 nights. We are 15, for example. They have multiple rooms inside. Be careful with the cow poop.